Alrighty, everybody, here we are back again on another DQ. Topic for DQ2. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. All right, first thing it says we're supposed to enter a more complicated loan payment formula, reusing a formula for repeated calculations, how to compute periodic payments as a loan, and the total paid for the loan and the interest paid. All right, so this will work for any type of installment loan, everybody. Car, home, anything that's closed ended, not open ended like a credit card, but any type of installment loan, this will work for. All right, so let me get my pen here. I'm also going to share a little background music with you guys. I hope it works out all right. You let me know if it doesn't work out for you guys, okay? All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and type our name in as always. All right. Next, let's take a look. It says we're going to practice some formulas you often need to use throughout this class. All right, let's type in some values. What are we looking for? The periodic payment on a loan is what we're trying to solve for, everybody. So P is the amount of the loan in this case. All right. Periodic payment on a loan for P dollars at R%. All right. So let's say we have a loan of $19,500. All right. Let's say our rate of interest is 0.023. Let's say we're going to make monthly payments and we're going to pay this off in 3 years. What type of formula are we going to use to figure out that payment? It's given to us right here, everybody. Okay, this is the Excel format. Once again, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it into my formula. All right, so I don't have to redo all the typing. Now, let's delete everything that's not of any use. Delete the spaces, delete the space there, delete P. Once again, go down here and click on the cell, B17. All right, move your cursor, your mouse over to R, delete the value of R, click on R, the 2.3%. Do the same thing with N, delete N, and click on the cell where N is. Let's just keep going. Keep going. Let's do N again while we're at it. All right, let's get rid of that N and click on the cell that N is in. Let's do the same thing for R. Delete the R, click on the cell where R is. All right, we got two more. We're doing great, everybody. Delete the N. Let's click on the cell where N is. One more time. Last one. Delete the value of T. Click on the cell where T is. All right, let's make sure we have all of our cells in the proper place. You can see they're all highlighted down there in row 17. It looks like we are in good shape. Now remember, what we're calculating is the payment. We borrowed $19,500. We're going to pay it off in 3 years, making monthly payments. What will our payment be? Let's hit enter and see. Our payment's going to be $561.09 a month. Okay. Now we need to calculate the total that we paid for our loan. All right. Right here it says the total paid is the payment times N times T. We just calculated the payment right here in the gray cell now, right? Green on gray because it's correct. So all we got to do is type the equals, hit that cell. Once again, multiply. Where is N? Back over here, right? D17 multiplied by T, which is E17. Hit enter. All right, we have just calculated the total amount. So we borrowed $19,500. We made payments of $561.09 per month, and we are going to have to pay back in total $19,199.16. So the question now is, how much interest did we pay? All right, all we got to do, guys, is subtract these two from each other, one from the other. It equals, all right, the total paid minus our loan amount back here in P. All right, hit enter. And we're good. We're going to pay a total of $699.16. All right, so we are in great shape, everybody. Now, everybody, the next one is yours to do, okay? all your information down here in this box right here. All this is going to be populated when you type your name in, okay? So everybody's is going to be different. Will not be the same as mine is, so don't look for the same numbers. All right, so I'm going to type the numbers in, but I'm not going to do the formula this time, okay? You guys are going to do the formula. Mine says I have a loan of $21.75. All right, it says my rate of interest is 18.5, so 0.1805. Hit enter. All right, I'm going to be making monthly payments. So N is 12. I'm going to pay it off in 5 years. All right, there's all my information entered in, everybody. Now all I've got to do is complete the formulas. Right up here, complete these formulas. And I am leaving that for you guys, okay? I did the first one. You guys got the second one, all right? Good deal, guys. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you. We will dip out. See you guys in the forum.